Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can print your mock. Mock is very important for you to prepare for your Jamb. So your mock slips are now available. So you need to check whether you're qualified to write the Jamb mock. So how do you get to know whether you're qualified to write the Jamb mock? So this is the website to go to check whether you're qualified to write the Jamb mock. Just go to this website, portal.jamb.gov.ng. So once you get there, you see here that it is written UTME 2021 mock examination slip. So this is how you can print your slip. You just click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will bring this out. Type in your registration number here or your email, the email that you used in registering Jamb. So if you check the printout that you were given after registering Jamb, so you see your registration number, type it in here and click on print examination slip. You will see your mock printout so that you see the center where you're supposed to write. So you can simply go to this website, portal.jamb.org. That is the website to do that checking. So your mock printouts are ready. We're already printing it in our office, especially for those of you that registered Jamb early. It is ready. Go there and print it out. So once you print it out, the next thing is for you to practice and make sure that you pass. And the best way to practice for your Jamb is by using our platform, educateafricans.com. There you have all the lectures prepared according to curriculum for you to learn and pass. So once you get to our website, the name is educateafricans.com. You'll be able to see the lectures, start having your classes. Start having your classes now. So this is website. Once you get there, click on this students registration so that you fill in your details, so that when you now click on any course under this all courses, you'll be able to view the videos and the courses. So the website requires you to register first before you can start having classes. So once you finish registering under student registration, click on all courses, then click on enroll on each of the following the subjects that you want. Then you start having your classes. So you can send me hi on WhatsApp so that I'll add you to the WhatsApp group from where we have our online classes every evening from 6 to 8 p.m. So that is how you go about it. Mock exam is important. Your preparation for your Jamb is even more important. And the best place to practice, to prepare, is by using our platform, Educate Africans. Once you go there, you can see these commands, this literature, this religious knowledge. Once you click on all courses, you will see them. Any course you want to study, just click on that course. You will see video lectures. Somebody is teaching you from board as if you're having the actual lecture in class. And those lectures are prepared according to your Jamb syllabus. So this website is where you go and get everything you need for your Jamb preparation, educateafricans.com. We have the summary for your life changer novel. You have all the information that you need as a student. They are already on this our website, educateafricans.com. That is where students are learning from. That is what they are using to learn, and they are getting their 300 and above. We have testimonies of our students getting 300 and above. So this is the commerce class. So once you click on this enroll, you can start having your classes. So if you've not logged in, it will ask you to put your username and password that you created when you are doing your student registration. So make sure if you don't have it, you click on create account so that you create a new account and you start having your lectures on educateafricans.com. That is the website where students are going to learn and they are making it. We have testimonies, we have students that have passed already. So if you now scroll down, you see all the courses. This is commerce, factors of production, capital. Any course you just click, you click on the video below it, it will open up and start playing. Then you start taking your classes. You can see now it just opened up these factors of production. So this is it now. So if once you now click this video, it will play. You see me in the class teaching you. So this is state of the art material. I will go and locate that this is the right land to build. Is it not? So level cost is what people are using and they are passing. use it, prepare for your exams. You can chat me up on my phone number. I'll add you up to the WhatsApp group where we also follow up our students, do assignments and the rest. So if you go to educateafricans.com, this is life changer novel. You click on it, you will download immediately. Your Jamb syllabus, you click, you download. You click on CBT Android app, you get it installed in your phone. CBT computer app, get it installed on your laptop. So this is the life changer novel. You can see brief description. Once you click on this download, it will be downloaded. You read it, just 20-page reading. So you have to join us as a student, and the easiest way to join us is by going to this website, educateafricans.com, register as a student, and send me hi on my WhatsApp so that I'll join you to the WhatsApp group. You're following us anywhere you are in the Nigeria, anywhere you are around. So that is what you need to do. And once you do it, you'll be glad that you did. So quickly go print your Jamb mock, get ready for your mock. There are some other organizations that are organizing private mocks. Like those people that are doing lesson in my place, I organize mock for them also to get ready for the exams. If you're finding it difficult printing your mock slip, come to our office, call my phone number, I'll help you out. +234 671 62698. Okay, thank you and see you when I see you.